Okay, so as we previously talked about when we were talking about our edge protection out here, one way that we can eliminate the need for some edge protection is by keeping our rope up off the ground using high directionals. In this case, the rescuers have routed their main line, lower haul line back to a remote anchor site, and the main line is being routed to the edge between these two trees. They've created a floating anchor here to run their high directional through. That's going to keep the rope up off the ground and eliminate contact with the ground as this grade slopes away from the surface here. This particular style of floating anchor is a load sharing anchor system, and we need to keep in mind all of our anchor forces as we look at this system here. We do have an angle that is greater than 120 degrees across from these two anchors here. We need to make sure that the elements that we're using are going to be able to accommodate that force amplification that's going to occur there. Both of our anchor straps in their configuration here are going to be capable of withstanding those forces. You'll also notice that they have used a tri-link here because we are loading that element in 3 directions. Using a carabiner here would not be a good idea unless it was designed to be loaded in that manner. So using a tri-link, a screw link here, is going to accommodate that for us. Another option for building a floating anchor would be a load distributing anchor system, in which we would have the pulley inverted that would be able to ride across perhaps a section of rope that you've run between 2 anchors, allowing that anchor to find its natural resting place in the center, which would then evenly distribute the weight to each anchor in that load distributing anchor system.